Let's address the question, is T-Mobile's network down today? As of March 26, 2026, while a major nationwide outage isn't occurring, sporadic regional disruptions are being reported. Independent sites like Down Detector provide live outage maps, and T-Mobile has its official status page. This video will break down these outages, their causes, and how to find potential fixes. Remember to check those resources regularly for the most up-to-date status in your area. Several resources offer live outage maps to help you check T-Mobile's network status. One popular option is Down Detector, which collects user reports to build real-time heat maps of problem areas across the country. Down Detector works by crowdsourcing information from users who report connectivity issues. This creates a visual map highlighting regions with the most complaints. And while it's not an official source from T-Mobile, the data often matches actual outage patterns closely. For official information, check T-Mobile's website and mobile app, which include dedicated status pages. These pages detail known outages, maintenance schedules, and resolution updates directly from the company. To get the most accurate picture during potential outages, it's best to check both Down Detector for community insights and T-Mobile's official sources for confirmed details. Network outages can stem from various factors. Technical glitches, such as software errors in core network switches or the evolved packet core, are common culprits. Technical glitches involve software errors in components like the EPC, which manages data routing and connectivity. Cyber attacks, like DDoS attacks, overwhelm servers with traffic, preventing legitimate connections. Natural disasters such as storms can damage cell towers and disrupt service. Scheduled maintenance for upgrades can lead to temporary outages as systems are updated. T-Mobile's reliance on cloud-native architecture introduces vulnerabilities, as distributed systems can fail if one part is compromised. In January 2026, T-Mobile faced a significant nationwide outage that lasted about 4 hours and impacted millions of users. This disruption was caused by a core network switch failure combined with a DDoS attack from foreign hackers. More recently, in March 2026, localized outages occurred in urban areas such as New York and Los Angeles. These were potentially caused by 5G network upgrades overloading cell towers during peak hours. These examples illustrate the range and impact of potential disruptions on T-Mobile's network in 2026. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, first confirm the outage isn't specific to your device. Test your connection on another device using the same network, or try a different cellular network like Wi-Fi if available. This helps determine if the problem is isolated to your phone or affects the broader T-Mobile network. Restarting your phone can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing connectivity issues. Hold the power button for several seconds until the restart option appears, then confirm. This clears cached data and refreshes network connections, often fixing software-related problems during an outage. T-Mobile recommends using Wi-Fi calling when available to maintain communication during cellular outages. In your phone settings, enable Wi-Fi calling under the phone or cellular options. This routes calls and texts over your Wi-Fi network instead of cellular, providing reliable connectivity even when cell towers are down. Visit T-Mobile's official status page or app for real-time information on known issues and estimated resolution times. This provides details on whether outages are widespread or regional, helping you understand the scope and expected duration. Look for updates on network maintenance or fixes in progress. T-Mobile is actively investing in infrastructure improvements to reduce outage frequency and duration. They plan to invest $50 billion by 2030 in network hardening. This includes implementing AI-driven monitoring tools to predict and mitigate failures. These tools use machine learning to analyze network data and identify potential issues before they cause outages, as well as quantum-resistant encryption to combat cyber threats. Quantum computing poses risks to current encryption methods, so T-Mobile is adopting quantum-resistant algorithms to protect against future cyber attacks. Recent firmware patches for 5G routers have also reduced outage durations. These updates address vulnerabilities and improve stability in the network equipment. Together, these efforts create a stronger, more reliable network that can better withstand challenges and provide consistent service to customers. Looking ahead, the future of T-Mobile's network points toward more autonomous networks featuring zero-touch operations. These systems will minimize human error and greatly improve overall reliability by automating network management and maintenance tasks. Another key development is edge computing, which distributes computational load away from central data hubs. This approach is expected to significantly reduce outages by handling data processing closer to users, decreasing the strain on core network components. However, challenges remain in this evolving landscape. Increasing cyber threats pose a significant risk to network stability, requiring advanced security measures. Additionally, the potential impact of climate change on physical infrastructure could lead to more weather-related disruptions. Ultimately, staying informed through official channels and being prepared with backup connectivity options will be crucial for navigating any potential future disruptions.